In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name in South Africa. Welcome to Web Hustle. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to open up your browser and go to domains.co.za. But I've already put the link in the description. So you just click the link, then it's gonna direct you to this website. So this is their website. It's pretty good. Then what you gonna do first is search for your domain name that you want. So in this case, maybe I would say web hustle za, right? Then check for my domain if it's available. Then if it's available, it's gonna tell me that it's available. If it is not, it's gonna tell me that it's not available. So in this case, they're saying congratulations, your perfect domain is available, and you can add it to carts if you like it. Then as you can see, it's only 99 rand per year by this time of this recording. So let's say, for instance, your domain name is already taken. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Okay, let me put the domain name that I just bought now. Electricals, right? So I'm gonna search for this domain if it's available or not. So yeah, they're telling you, oh no, this domain is already taken, so you can't have this domain, right? So what does it mean? It means you need to find another domain name different from this one. So let's say, for instance, the domain name is available. I'm gonna show you the steps that you're gonna take. Let's say web hustle za. Okay, they're saying it's available, right? So the other thing is they're gonna show you some other domain names that you can buy using the domain name that you want. So you see, this one is .co.za. They're telling you that you can also have .online, .site, .com, .store, and these are the prices, right? Okay, so these ones are saying 00 because they are on a promotion. You have to pay the following year. So for now, we just want the .co.za. So what you do is you add to cart. Then it's gonna give you this option to configure. That's when you click on configure. Okay, so it's gonna land you on this page, the domain configuration page. Then this is where you select how many years you want your domain to be active, right? So it's from 1 year. 1 year is 99 rands, 2 years 189, 3 years 279, going on and on. But as you can see, the more years, it means the cheaper it becomes. So in this case, we'll be doing the 1 year. The 1 year is also fine. So this on this side, the domain add-ons, if you want to add the WHOIS privacy, then you turn it on. Then it's gonna cost you 49 rand per year, but it's not really necessary. Then once you're done, you then proceed to cut. So if you don't have an account with domains.com, they will say they will need you to register an account with their on their platform. You just say create a new account. Then by creating a new account, then you have to put your name, your email, your phone numbers, your billing address. That's where you stay, the city, and the what everything, right? Okay, then the additional required information is you put your ID or your passport number here, the VAT number if you have, then the mobile number, and then we're gonna ask you to are you able to receive any SMS notifications? Then you have to say yes or no. Then you have to choose security questions and put a password and confirm it. Then you register. But if you have an account already, you just say already registered. Then they're gonna tell you to put your email address and password. Then you log in, right? So yeah, basically that's it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the order summary. They're telling you that you're gonna pay 99 rand, but they're breaking it down, saying the subtotal is 86 rand, then the VAT is 14 rand. That's why it's becoming 99 rand. So if you have a promo code, you just enter your promo code here, then say apply, then they give you the discounts if they have. Then after that, you just go and say check out, right? So if you say check out, yeah, because I'm already logged in. As you can see, you are logged in. I'm already logged in, and they already have my credit card details, so they're not gonna ask me for for the details. But if you are logging in for the first time, they're gonna ask you for the credit card details, or these if you wanna use the pitch payment, iPay instant, EFT, or pay fast, they're gonna ask you for those details. So what you need to do by that time, you just uh, you put your credit card details. Then after that, you just have to tick this button where they're saying I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Then after that, you press complete order. So when you press complete order, it's gonna uh, charge your credit card. Then after that, it's gonna be successful. Then it will redirect you to a page where you're supposed to see your invoice that I've this is the domain that I just bought, the scheduleelectricals.co.za, for is for a year. Then this is the date, the due date, right? Then the status saying paid. So if you want to view your invoice, you can just click on view. Then this is your invoice. Then if you want to download it, you just press here, it will download. So this is my invoice. On the left is their information. On the right, that's the client information, right? So this is the invoice.